Namaste everyone. Hope everybody's doing well. So let's start our first preparatory posture. Staying one arm away from the wall, legs are wide, and walking the hands down, toes are slightly turned inwards. Try and have leg distance almost 4 to 5 feet away from each other, pushing the navel in and start moving hips backwards. You can choose to have knee very softly bent, especially for the back condition. Otherwise, we are tightening the kneecap. Straight legs, straight spine, and try and hold the posture for about 1 minute. Very slowly walk your hands up, feet together, and release the posture. Moving on to second preparation. Lying down on the back, hands next to hips, knees on the chest, and very slowly we are straightening legs and gently separate your legs. This is like an almost same posture that we did previously. The only difference is we are lying down on the floor and we are working on keeping the legs a little more straight. Flexing the ankle here. Keep pushing heel upwards towards ceiling and try to engage your navel so that it supports your lower back. Again, try to hold it as long as you can, about 1 to 2 minutes. Gently bring legs together, and with straight legs, we are moving legs on the floor. Third preparation is Supta Pada Angushtasana. So press left hand to left thigh, right hand, use 3 fingers to hold right big toe. Exhale and start straightening the knee. Keep pushing left thigh down towards the floor at the same time. With the next exhalation, bend your right elbow and lift your head up. Pushing leg close to face and head is moving close to leg, squeezing the navel. Working on the breath here and try and have both the knees straight. Again, we want to try and hold the position for 1 to 2 minutes. Releasing the pose and bring right knee to chest, hugging the knee to stretch right hip. And let's slowly switching the side, right hand on right thigh, holding left big toe. 3 fingers of left hand. Exhale and start to straighten the leg. Do that gently, carefully, and with the breath. Exhale and we lift the head up. Keep moving leg close to face and head is going close to leg. Checking left elbow is softly bent. Keep moving right thigh down, keeping that leg active as well. If you find this difficult, work on exhaling through mouth and inhale through nose. Few more seconds. Exhale and slowly bending that left knee, hugging knee on the chest, and slowly release. And we are moving on to next position. Take a thick blanket and 2 scarves. Sitting on the blanket here, if you want to increase the height, Especially if you are rounding back, I will suggest you to increase the height a little more. Sitting on it, legs are widely apart, thighs are rolled in, and bring scarf on middle of your foot. Straight knee, and we work on lifting the chest up, squeezing navel in. Now you can choose to stay here. You can practice this for a few days. Once you start finding it easy, once you know you can stay there with the knee completely straight, when you developed enough flexibility on the hamstring, exhale, bend your elbow and start to move chest forward. We can stay half away here, that's absolutely fine. Try and walk hands forward and see how far you can move. If you can stay here, absolutely fine. If you can here, try holding the foot. You can try doing that as well. Focusing on the breath, keeping legs and spine active. Inhale and come back to center. Moving on to fifth preparation. This is without any props now. Lifting the butt slightly outward so that you can place your sit bone firmly on the floor. Checking legs are active. Pushing back of the knee to floor. Ankles are flexed. And with the breath, exhaling and start to walk hands forward. Checking how far you can walk hands forward. Again, if you are half away also, that is a good start. Making sure you work within the limits. Keep squeezing navel and keep breathing. Very slowly with control, coming back to center. And now here we go, we are doing the full posture, adjusting hips, taking that extra flesh out, rotating thigh inwards, squeezing the navel. And we are holding the foot from outside. Inhale, lifting the chest up, straighten the spine. Exhale, elbows bend and start to move chin forward. So let your chin go forward, your chest will follow the chin. Elbows are softly bent and your entire upper body stays on the floor. Keep checking back of the knees, you are pushing it to the floor. Back of the heels to floor. Ankles are flexed. Once you settle down in the posture, we want to focus on the breath. Try and hold it for 1 to 2 minutes. Coming out of the posture, inhale and come halfway first and gently squeeze navel to come back to center. Use your hands, bend the knees and bring knees together. I hope you find this helpful. I will see you in the next video. Take care.